everyone? Okay, welcome to this wonderful workshop. This workshop is under an organization of FPIZ Inspiring Zambia Foundation. FPIZ Inspiring Zambia Foundation. So this foundation was created in order to help a girl child here in Zambia, in the rural part of Zambia. We all know that when we reach the age of puberty, we start having our menstrual periods. So this organization has come to help us, the girl child, to be using the sanitary pads. So we are here to teach you on how to use those sanitary pads and how you can dispose them. Is that clear? Yes. So at this time, I'm going to raise our head teacher for this wonderful school. This is Kanakashi Primary School in Muchinga District, Muchinga Province of Zambia. He's going to come and give us an opening speech during this wonderful meeting that we are going to have, a workshop. Madam, welcome.
Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Good afternoon. So we are privileged to receive these wonderful items. We are privileged as a girl child. So in Zambia, a lot of organizations are coming to help you girls. Why are they helping you? Who can tell me the reason why a lot of organizations are helping a girl child? You don't speak in your local language. Why are they helping you? Someone to tell us, why are they helping you? We've seen a lot of organizations coming, helping us in terms of school materials. We are even privileged to get to receive the sanitary towels. Why are they helping us each and every time? The boy child is there outside, but you are privileged to receive it. Why are they helping you? Why are they helping you? They want you to learn in a conducive environment. Want us to become dependent. When you are a dependent, you are vulnerable to a lot of things. The GBV we are talking about is because we are always depending on a man to provide everything for us. But the narrative should change. A girl child should always have a mentality of becoming independent. Tamufiro kwisa abana mawe bakusuke mbale no kuwasha amatebera pamanda mulero lelabaume bamishitira obunga bamishitira amafuta. So previously we used to go through a lot of things. I personally, I remember absconding in school because of periods. I didn't have sanitary towels to wear. So if I had the chance like you today, I think this time I would have. So you are very privileged girls this time because you've got a lot of support from the government, from non-governmental organizations like this one. So we are just thanking this foundation, which is the FPIZ Inspiring Zambia Foundation, for coming to our aid and help us in this manner. So we are grateful and sweet. Are we not grateful? So we are grateful, not so. Then we can give them the thank you for the gesture. Can you also say thank you for the gesture?
Thank you for the gesture.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Madam. That was our head teacher of Kanakashi Primary School. So we are going to continue. We'll go straight into the program without wasting much of the time. With me here, I've got these flyers. So I'm going to give you these flyers so that you have a look on them, and then I'll start explaining how you're supposed to. Okay. So when we look at those flyers, I want someone to read what is written there. The one which is starting with when it comes. Who can read for us that statement? That paragraph. Someone to read for us? This part here. Stand up to read for us.
When it comes to manage your period.
Very good. Clap for her. Just one. Okay. When it comes to managing your period, knowledge is in power. Can you say knowledge is power?
Knowledge is power.
Yes. So what do they mean? They're saying when you are having your menstrual periods, you need to have knowledge on how you are going to keep yourself clean. First of all, you have to make sure that you are clean and safe. How do you keep yourself clean? How do you keep yourself clean when you have started your menstruation? What are you supposed to do to keep yourself clean so that you don't smell when you are passing? Some people can't smell that you are having your periods. Yes? Thank you, very good. Clap for her. You need to bath regularly. Can you say bath regularly?
Bath regularly.
That means you need to be bathing every time. More especially when you're at home. When you see that you are wet, your pants are getting wet and your pad is getting wet, you have to go and shower. You bath, you wash your pants, and you change into a clean and dry pad. Is that clear?
Yes.
That way you won't be smelling. You know those things, they smell, right? Yeah, no one would want to have a smell of that because it doesn't smell nice. Imagine a situation where you come to school and then you are smelling. People will be running away from you, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So you need to bath so that you smell nice. Okay, so this organization, they thought of you guys. They thought, okay, this is a girl child who needs to be in school. So we need to help them. Instead of you using those small clothes you put in between your pants, because those they don't actually keep the blood, they don't suck the blood that comes out. They normally allow the blood to penetrate through and you become dirty at the end of the day. And you know this is a school which has even the boys and the girls. So imagine you dirty yourself and then they see the blood on your uniform. Number one, you're going to be embarrassed. You'll be embarrassed, you'll stop coming to school. So if they are not seeing that blood, you'll be safe. So what will make them not to see your blood? It's this. When you wear the sanitary pads, they have been made in a way that they cannot come out. They cannot show on your clothes. They cannot show on your uniforms. Are we together? So I'm going to get an example. I'm going to get one pad here and show you how we are distributing the refreshments. So even these refreshments, they have come from FPIZ, Zambia. So you think with happiness, are you not happy? Are you not happy? So you should be happy. They have got you cards, they have even got you snacks and refreshments. They have got for you these nice snacks. You have to be happy. Like I received these. As you are receiving, you smile. Smile. Okay, so we have come to the end of this program. It was a very nice, fantastic workshop. Our girls are happy, as you can see. They have received cards. They have also received the refreshments, the snacks. They are enjoying, they are eating. They are so happy. Aren't you happy? Yes. You are happy, right? Yes. Okay, that's nice. So at this time, I'm going to call one of our girls. She wants to give a vote of thanks. To come and give a vote of thanks to the foundation. Viviana, you can come. Viviana.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, my name is Diana Mila, a grade 7 pupil at Karangash Primary School. Thank you so much, FPIZ and Inspiring Zambia Foundation for this opportunity to share with us the sanitary pad. As a rural setup school, we normally have challenges when it comes to keeping ourselves safe during menstrual period. This is it because we do not afford to buy the pads because they are expensive. We are so grateful. Thank you.
Okay, so that was a short speech from one of our girls. They are very happy. So Faith Foundation, we are so grateful as an organization, as a school administration. On behalf of the school administration, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for this gesture, and we are really grateful. We are looking forward to more opportunities of such kind. These girls, as you can see, we have a very good number of them, just that some of them are not in school today due to some other circumstances. We have a good number of them that have started their menstrual period. So we are very grateful that you have decided to help us in this way. At least we'll have more girls to stay in school, because this one really made most of the girls stay away from school. Whenever they are on their periods, they would stay away from classes because they are scared. They are afraid that their friends will see their blood because they don't have pads to use. So since now you have given them this opportunity of wearing pads, I'm very much sure that they will stay in school and they will get that education that they deserve to have. So we thank you so much. Looking forward to more opportunities like this. Thank you.